Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So if you have not subscribed my channel, so kindly subscribe it. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of ChatGPT seems to have gone wrong. And if you have seen such type of message like ChatGPT error in message stream and ChatGPT server down, so we will solve this issue today. So firstly, what you have to do, so at first step you have to just update the app of ChatGPT. If you are using browser, so you have to just refresh it and then again use it. And if you got error, so you have to just click on this at left side like new chat button. So if you are using it on mobile, so you have to just update the chat gpt error. So maybe it can any update occur, so you have to just update it. So by doing this, your issue will be solved. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just move to the second step, which is basically apply proxy. So you have to just download any extension of, like you can download the browser extension, and you can have to just open this browser VPN, then you have to just click on add to Chrome. So it will be added on at here, and then you have to just open this proxy and select any other foreign country and then use it, so your issue will be fixed. If this issue has not been fixed, so you have to just move to the third last step, which is different model of ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, when you search something like, as I you can see, I have searched already. So you can see that there is like just switch models. So you have to just select these alternatively one by one. So firstly you have to just check GPT for O, and then you have to just go to the, if it doesn't work, as you can see it is work now. So if it doesn't work, so you have to just go to the second one, which is basically for mini, and then you have to just go to the third one, GPT-4.1-mini. When you click on it, so it will be show the your query and solve your query. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.